Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Dahil nauuso ang pagiging plantito at plantita ngayon, I'm gonna be showing you how to drill holes on melamine, ceramics or porcelain pots. The things that we are going to be needing are this diamond drill bits. This is commonly used in drilling glass panels, ceramics, porcelain or melamine wares. And of course this electric hand drill. So I have a small size of drill bit already installed. First, we have to put a little amount of water because there's a friction there and you don't want to be damaging your new drill bit. So sa una, dapat naka-incline siya ng konti. And I already made one hole there a while ago. So there you go, 2 clean holes ready for your cactus and succulents.